There is a tree. There are tomatoes. There is an orange. There is a TV. There are chairs. There is a table. There is a phone. There are books. There are pens. There is a computer. Hi everyone! There is, there are. There is a tree. There are trees. There is an orange. There are oranges. There is a table. There are tables. Can we make these sentences shorter? There is, there's. For example, there's a tree. There's an orange. There's a table. When do we use there is and there are? To say something exists in a place. For example, there are trees in my backyard. There are desks in the classroom. There's a hotel in my city. There are people at the park. Well done! Now, do the worksheet. If you have any questions, please ask me in the comments. See you next time. Bye!
Learn English.
Why are you eating chocolate?
With your favorite English teacher.
Hi everyone!
Grandma.
In, on,
Vocabulary.
orange,
Activities. Real-life conversations.
the changing room is over there.
More than 100 lessons.
Hi everyone! Today, we will practice English conversation.
Worksheets for every lesson. Weekly live classes. Take your English to the next level. with Rachel's online English program. Seven-day free trial. School.com/learn English with Rach.